Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you, have you ever updated an app on your iPhone? After updating, the update button appear again after few moments later. Does this mean the previous update failed, or are you installing old update one by one? Let's clear up the confusion. In most cases, you are not installing every old update individually. When you tap on update button, the app store install the latest version available at that moment, or newer version is released shortly, or if the app store refresh its data, you will see the update button again. So once again you need to tap on update button and update your app once again from the app store. After updating again, still the update button is showing on your screen. Now you can try some other solution. So first you need to know about the common reason. First common reason is this guys: a new version was released. Developer sometime release multiple update within a short period of time, especially when fixing bug after a major release. Second main common reason is this guys: the app store may temporarily continue showing the update button even though the update has already been installed. Third main reason is this guys, common reason is this guys: Apple server sync. Sometime Apple server take a little time to sync the latest app version across all devices. And last main common reason is this guys: if the update was not installed correctly on your phone, the app store may ask you to update the app again. So these are the main common issue behind this problem. Now let's fix it out. Now first close the app store from the recent menu as well, and then reopen the app store and search your app, and now update your app. Now it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same, restart your iPhone one time. After restarting, you need to check your iPhone internet connection. If there is internet issue on your iPhone, at that time you can fix this type of problem. Connect your iPhone to a strong Wi-Fi connection or mobile data, and then try to update your app. It will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. To do this guys, open the iPhone settings, scroll down, find out journal. In the journal, open the software update. If the software update is there, simply go ahead. First of all, you need to update your iOS version. After updating, it will fix your problem. So one more thing is this guys: if only one app is affected by this problem, delete and reinstall that particular app from the iPhone, and it will fix your problem. That's how you can fix this problem. You don't need to install every old update one by one. Each update normally install the latest available version, which already includes previous fixes and improvement. If the same app repeatedly asks for an update, it's usually caused by app store refresh delay, a newly released version, or a temporary install. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.